In this video, I will show you how to use VPN on your Chromecast with Google TV. So, over here is my Chromecast with Google TV, and there are basically two ways to install and use VPN on this device. The first, which is the simplest, is to simply download and install the VPN app from the App Store of your Chromecast with Google TV. And to do that, basically what you want to do is to come over to the app section from the home of your Chromecast with Google TV, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to this in-page feed over here. Click on it just like so, and then you want to go ahead and search for VPN. Now what this will do is that it will automatically show you all of the VPN apps that are available for download on your Chromecast with Google TV. So just go ahead and search for VPN, and automatically your Chromecast with Google TV will show you all of the VPN apps that are available for download on your Chromecast with Google TV. Now you can go ahead and select any VPN app from the list of VPN apps over here, and just install it into your Chromecast with Google TV. And if you do not find the particular VPN app you want to use on your Chromecast with Google TV, what you can also do is to simply just go ahead and type the name of that particular VPN on the search bar over here. In this case, I will go ahead and search for the Proton VPN, which is actually a very popular VPN for Android and Google TVs. And from here, you can literally see the Proton VPN app over here. Now I'll go ahead and click on it. So go ahead and click on any VPN app you want to install, and then just click on the install button over here. Now this will take a minute or two, and once the VPN app is installed, you can go ahead and open it up from here by just clicking on the open button, and now you have the Proton VPN app running smoothly on your Chromecast with Google TV. Now you can go ahead and sign up or create an account by just visiting this particular website, but if you already have an account, you want to go ahead and sign in by clicking on the sign in button over here. Now go ahead and visit this particular website, and then you want to go ahead and enter the code that is being displayed on your TV over here on this website of the Proton VPN. So I'll go ahead and enter mine, and once I enter the code just like so, I'll go ahead and click on verify code, and now the Proton VPN app will be logged in on my Chromecast with Google TV. Now to make sure that my Chromecast with Google TV is actually connected to the VPN, I can just go ahead and select any country. For instance, this is actually free, so I'll go ahead and select the Netherlands just like so, and then just scroll down to connect over here, click on it, and then click on OK. And automatically my Chromecast with Google TV will now be connected to the VPN of the Netherlands over here. So basically, this is just one way to connect your Chromecast with Google TV to a VPN. Another way you can actually install and use VPN on your Chromecast with Google TV is to simply download and install the VPN on your mobile phone or router that actually supports the installation of VPN. Now, if you're using your mobile phone, what you want to do is to go over to the App Store or Google Play Store, just like so, and then you want to go ahead and search for that particular VPN app. And once you find the VPN, you want to go ahead and install it by just clicking on the install button from the App Store or Google Play Store. And once it is installed, you want to go ahead and open it up. Make sure that this particular VPN app is set up on your mobile phone. In my case, I will go ahead and click on continue as a guest. Now you want to go ahead and click on not now, and then go ahead and click on connect to actually activate this particular VPN on my mobile phone. Now once this is done, you want to go ahead and turn on your mobile phone hotspot just like so. So go ahead and turn on your mobile phone hotspot, and then make sure that your Chromecast with Google TV device is connected to your mobile phone. Now once it is connected, you can now go ahead and start streaming on your TV while you are being protected using the same VPN app that has been installed on our mobile phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.